In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to perform shoulder presses with my homemade resistance band, bar, and platform device. All credit to Dr. John Jaquish for the invention of the X3 system, which is unfortunately way out of my price range. It is absolutely the best way to get the most out of resistance band training because it removes the tension from around your hands and feet or other appendages, which can be a limiting factor in how much total force you can comfortably use, as it places all of that tension on the target muscle groups through a bar and a floor anchor, rather than causing stress around the hands and other appendages, as I said. If you have not seen my video on how to acquire the materials for this setup, I'll link it somehow either in the description as just a YouTube link or as a card on the screen, if that is still possible. For shoulder presses, you'll need heavy-duty weight-bearing carabiners to loop the bands through, if you're using one or multiple. Being careful not to damage the band. Some of these carabiners have sharp edges. The ones I'm using here don't match. They don't have to. They just happen to be ones I had lying around the house. Here's the floor plate, which anchors the band beneath your feet. As I said, I expand on how to buy the materials and also somewhat to some degree on how to construct this item in another video. Simply place the plate on top of the band. Position yourself and the bar so that you can perform the shoulder press in the same or a similar fashion that you would with a conventional barbell. And begin the movement. It's just that simple. Just be careful not to hit yourself in the face with the bar as it's coming back down due to the accelerated eccentric tension from the elastic band pulling the bar down faster than gravity, which is actually one of the benefits of performing them this way. And there you have it.